Dictation would be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. However, since benchmark was not stipulated for giving the appointment, what is done in the instant case is that a decision is taken to give appointments only to those persons who have secured 70% marks or above marks in the unreserved categories and 60% or above marks in the reserved categories. In the absence of any rule on this aspect, in the first instance, this does not amount to changing the rules of the game. The High Court has rightly held that it is not a situation where securing of minimum marks was introduced which was not stipulated in the advertisement. Standard was fixed for the purpose of selection. Therefore, it is not a case of changing the rules of game. On the contrary, in the instant case, a decision is taken to give appointment to only those who fulfilled the benchmark prescribed. Fixation of such a benchmark is permissible in law. This is an altogether different situation not covered by Hemani Malhotra case. Para. The decision taken in the instant case amounts to short listing of candidates for the purpose of appointment, which is always permissible. For this course of action of the CCI, justification is found by the High Court noticing the judgment of this court in the state of Haryana versus Subhash Chandra. In that case, Rule 8 of the Punjab Civil Service Judicial Branch Service Rules was the subject matter of interpretation. This rule stipulated consideration of candidates who secured 45% marks in aggregate. Notwithstanding the same, the High Court recommended the names of candidates who had secured 55% marks and the government accepted the same. However, later on it changed its mind and High Court issued order directing appointment to be given to those who had secured 45% and above marks instead of 55% marks. In appeal, the judgment of the High Court was set aside, holding that it is contended that the state government have acted arbitrarily in fixing 55% as the minimum for selection, and this is contrary to the rule referred to above. The argument has no force. Rule 8 is a step in the preparation of a list of eligible candidates with minimum qualification who may be considered for appointment. The list is prepared in order of merit. The one higher in rank is deemed to be more meritorious than the one who is lower in rank. It could never be said that one who tops the list is equal in merit to the one who is at the bottom of the list, except that they are all mentioned in one list for the purpose of appointment. Thanks for watching.